Good mommy.
Hi.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Dishes My Life. Today we are making tinola. We have some bittermelon leaves, some bitter melon. We have hot banana peppers. We have long green chilies, some tomatoes, garlic, onion, and of course ginger. And finally, Mr. Manock. Oh no! Sweetheart, no! Cockadoodle don't!
Seriously?
Oh, big mess. So what Divine is doing now is cleaning the nails.
Cutting off.
Cleaning the nails. You said pedicure.
I did, yeah. Get rid of the beak.
Giving him a haircut and a mustache trim.
Okay.
God.
Put that back in.
Uh-oh. Incoming call.
Cool.
Ginger time. Can they see from there?
Yeah.
Tinola is one of Yada's favorites. Okay, so the crock pot's preheated to saute. My love,
Yeah?
is it saute?
Yeah.
Okay, so crock pot is set to saute. She's gonna saute the garlic and ginger and the onions too.
Yeah.
Yeah, garlic, ginger, onion. Chop with the onions, chop with the garlic. You got something on your butt.
Oh, it will come off.
Something on your butt. Dishes my life. Dishes. Okay guys, I gotta go put Yada to sleep. She's starting to ask. She's getting so tired. Watch this. Watch this. Oh, so sleepy. I'll be back.
Love you. Oops, it's burning. There you go. And the rice is almost done. Let's wait for that to brown a little bit.
I'm trying to put this little one to sleep.
She won't.
Oh, did you notice that she had a big cut underneath her toe?
No.
No, she has a big cut underneath her toe.
Missy?
Where's your mama?
Missy. Do you want your smoothie now, Daddy? It's 12?
Please. I'll have banana.
Okay, I'll be back with your smoothie. Bye-bye. Love you. That somebody doesn't want to sleep?
That's somebody? Or
That's
this
somebody.
somebody?
Love you.
Nom, 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 nom. You gonna tell them what you're doing?
No, you are.
Okay, so my smoothie consists of ice, chia seeds, flaxseed, protein powder, banana, and milk. I noticed when I was in the Philippines that most of your milk is sterilized, ultra high temperature, so it's a lot different here. So 200 pesos will get you 4 liters of regular milk that comes in bags. 1, 2. Gotta get that smoothie.
Where is the
You can share Daddy's smoothie? See how excited she gets?
Here you go, guys.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, you two go. Try and nap. Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, wave. Wave bye-bye.
Bye.
Yay! Bye-bye.
Bye.
Have fun.
I need a step stool. Señorita. Hola. You want water? Hello, señorita. Come here. Help Mama. It's ready to pressure cook. So let's put the lid on. And then make sure, what the heck is that? Make sure it's sealed. Pressure cook for maybe 15. Okay. No, señorita. Come on. It has been sitting and warming for 9 minutes now. It's time to release the kraken. Just kidding. Release the pressure. See, let's check it out. There you go. Doesn't that look delicious? So crazy. Let's take some vavo without the bittermelon. And now we wait. Let's go. Okay, so in goes the bittermelon leaves. All done. Wait up time so it's cool enough when Yara wakes up. See ya. Did you have a good nap? Yeah? Is it lunchtime? Yeah? Let's go for lunch? Are you cold? Wanna go see Daddy? Daddy's getting ready for work. Let's go. Yay! Lunchtime? Let's go for lunch. Come on. Do you want music to wake you up? Alexa, play Zumba music.
The playlist Rhythm Pulse on Amazon Music.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, there you go. Okay, where's Mommy? Mommy, where's Daddy? Daddy. Let's go see Daddy and get your lunch ready. Hi, Dad. Daddy, I slept so good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go watch Daddy's bike. Where are these plants going, Daddy?
A person that grows food for the homeless shelter.
Yay.
I don't think anybody's gonna want to eat ghost peppers, but
What's Daddy doing? Daddy should wash my bike too. My bike is rusty. Open.
unless you saw somebody put them outside.
Yep. It's good time. It's good time. Just like... It's good time, Daddy. Mwah. Mwah. I love you, Daddy.
I'll be back. Wow.
Hey, love you. Take care. Be careful. Bye, Daddy.